What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually going to be installing the wheels on the Supra, so I'm super excited. We're actually heading over to the tire shop right now. I just got my 3-piece custom wheels sent into me. My cousin's in the back here in the Tesla X. Luckily, he was kind of able to help me out because those wheels are, yeah, they're 19 by 10, 19 by 11. They're pretty thick. We're actually pretty much there. I'm super excited to finally get those on, and yeah, once we get them mounted, I'll go ahead and show them to you guys.
Later that same evening.
Ooh, it's hot. This is the reveal. Some Brado wheels, 3-piece. Falken RT660s, 200 treadwear. Oh man, they look so good, dude. Definitely need to lower the car a bit. That's what they look like. A couple of light scratches, but I think that was already there from factory. I already ceramic coated them and I checked them out, but not too bad. I'm not gonna complain. As long as the lips aren't bent or anything like that, these scratches should be able to be polished out. I think it needs to be lowered for sure. All right guys, so we just made it back home. Man, I am so happy the way it turned out. Yeah, check that out. So going through the specs again, 19 by 11 in the rear, 19 by 10 in the front. Tire specs are 275/35 by 19 and 305/30 by 19 in the rear. RT660 Falken Azenis. Fitment looks pretty good. Definitely needs to be lowered a little bit. I'd say probably a good, maybe ½ inch to an inch in the front. Same thing in the back. Definitely have a little more tire gap, wheel gap there. It's got meats in the rear. Oh my god, that looks so mean. I'm pretty sure once the car gets lowered, a little bit of negative camber, and it should be a nice little tuck. Right now there's a little bit of poke, but that's fine. I like that meaty look. Oh man, that looks good. This is the side profile right here. And of course, before we got them mounted, I definitely inspected the wheels. I got them ceramic coated, generic off-brand Amazon stuff. And then I also sprayed some Shine Armor on there as well. Shouts out to Shine Armor because the actual finish looks exceptional. Next up, plan-wise, I think is going to order some HKS adjustable springs. Get that fitment on point, making it look nice and mean. Right now, it doesn't look too bad. And I'm sorry that I'm like breathing heavy. It's like 100 and, God, I think it's 104 today. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Dial in the fitment with the adjustable springs. Eventually, we're gonna get a single exit exhaust as well. All that coming up in the next couple of weeks. But man, it looks so good, guys. And of course, usually what I do whenever I get new wheels and tires, I also inspect the wheels. And prior to them installing, I also went through, took pictures of all my wheels, took videos of all my wheels. That way we can determine if there was any scratches or anything. Install-wise, they actually didn't do too bad. Couple of light scratches that I'm not really super concerned about. You can't really see it on the camera, but you've got to be in person and up close to really see anything. As far as the quality of the Brado wheels goes, I'd say it's pretty exceptional. I would give it a 9.5 out of 10. Again, these were custom wheels, so they're a little more on the pricey side. If you guys are curious, you could just ask me, I'll DM you or whatever. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. There's little tiny small imperfections here and there, but nothing that's super crazy or anything worth like contacting them for or trying to get a replacement. But again, these are 3-piece custom wheels, and I'm not tripping too much because, I mean, they're wheels. I'm gonna be driving the car, and eventually, you know, rocks and stuff are gonna get kicked up. It's just the nature of the game. So unless you're doing a complete show car, there's really no reason to be super anal about it, because if you're driving this with sticky tires on the freeway or even on the back roads, you're gonna get rocks that get kicked up. So it's inevitable that's gonna happen. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. If you're in my position, what would you guys modify next? Would you guys go for a wing, carbon fiber, hood, suspension, obviously, or what other mods do you think I should be doing? For the most part, I'm pretty happy the way the build is going. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. All right, perfect. My wife just got home, so I want to see what her reaction is. I just washed this car and I feel like it got dirty already. Can you adjust it? It's pretty close on my side. Do you want me to do it? Okay. says it's 109. That's so gross. What do you think about my wheels?
Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you think they look compared to the old ones?
What are the old ones?
She doesn't even remember what the old ones look like. Never mind.
It's all the same, Justin.
No, they're not.
You know, it looks the same.
Okay, that's all I have. Bye.